Section 3. White Box Metasploit Penetration Testing. In this section, we will talk about testing procedures by white box pen testing, starting from scanning until complete penetration testing task. Setting up, configuring OpenVAS. OpenVAS Open Vulnerability Assessment System is a software framework of several services and tools offering vulnerability scanning and vulnerability management. All OpenVAS products are free, written with the NASA's attack scripting language. We can start, stop, initialize OpenVAS through Kali Vulnerability Analysis submenu. Running OpenVAS initialization will update setup OpenVAS for the first use. After starting OpenVAS service, we can access it through port 9392. OpenVAS comes with interactive web interface with complete options like scan management, host details, configuration, administrations, and extra options. To start the process of initialization of OpenVAS, we go to Application, Vulnerability Analysis, and OpenVAS Initialization. It takes a couple of minutes to finish the process. To start OpenVAS, we go to OpenVAS Starting. After that, we go to the browser and we go to the specific port 9392. Then we use the username and the password we set up. As you can see, there is many options available on OpenVAS web interface. There is scan, dashboard, tasks, reports, results, and notes. Assets, there is a hostess operating system, and there is also SecInfo, which provides CVE and NVTS. The configuration, you will find scan configs and report formats, besides filters. In the extra, you can go to performance, my settings, and others. If we go for the tasks, you will find a pretty dialog explaining every step that you are going to use, starting from the wizard until starting for the scans, and also provides a repo functionality. And from assets, we can access host details and operating systems. And to manage other users, we can do that through administration dialogues.